Hello everyone, welcome to part 1 of our C programming series Introduction to C language. If you're new to programming or just bashing up your basics, this section will give you a clear picture of what C is, why it's still powerful, and how we can start coding with it today. By the end of this video, you will understand where C is used, its key strengths, and we will even write your first C program together. Let's begin. C is a structured general purpose programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Labs. Even after 50 years, it remains the foundation for many modern languages like C++, Java, Python, and Go. Learning C helps you understand the code logic behind every programming language, such as variables, loops, conditions, and memory handling. Think of it like learning grammar before writing a new language. Once you know C, every other programming language feels easier. Imagine C as a Swiss Army knife, compact yet extremely powerful. C is the go to language for a vast range of applications from the core of your operating system to the firmware in your devices. You can use it to develop operating systems, build embedded systems, create device drivers and compilers, even program robots or IoT devices. That's why C is taught first. One language, endless applications. Let's look at a few real world examples where C is actively used today. In operating systems, parts of Windows, Linux, and Mac OS are written in C. Mobile OS kernels such as Android uses C for device drivers and low-level system calls. Automotive systems, airbag controllers, and engine management firmware are built using C. Microcontrollers from washing machine to drones. So yes, the same language you're learning now is literally running on phones, cars, and satellites. Now let's see how a simple C program is structured. The code displayed on the screen is a basic C program known as Hello World. It's a tradition that signifies the start of your programming journey. Now let's break this down. Hash includes studio.h adds the standard input output library. Into main parenthesis marks the start point of execution. Printf parenthesis prints text on the screen. Return 0 indicates the program ended successfully. That's the basic skeleton of every C program you'll ever write. How compilation works. When you press run, here's what happens behind the scene. The source code is taken into a compiler, then it gets compiled, then the file gets executed, then the output is displayed on the screen. The compiler translates your human readable C code into machine code that your CPU can understand. That's why syntax accuracy is so important in C. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. C was created by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. It's a fast, structured, and the base for many modern languages. C is used in real world systems from mobile devices to embedded controllers. You wrote your first Hello World program and learned how compilation works. In day 2, we will go deeper into the structure of a C program. Explain each section like header, files, main function, and statement line by line. If you found this section helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to continue learning with this series. Thank you for watching. See you in part 2 structure of a C program.